package on the overhead ramp.
Konnichiwa, mine bon amigos. Welcome to our bullet train or Shinkansen vlog. We are travelling to Kyoto from Tokyo on the Kodama bullet train. The Kodama is one of three main services running on this route, and it is the slowest of the three because it stops at every station on the way to Kyoto. The journey is just under 4 hours from Tokyo on the Kodama. We chose this one in part because of the cheaper price, but also because the more frequent stops meant we could enjoy more of the view instead of 200 miles per hour for pretty much the entire journey. We booked this journey through a website that we found in another vlog. I'll put the link in the description. On this site we were able to book a cheaper ticket, around £50 each, but it was basically non-refundable and we had to travel on the specific train that we had booked, i.e. we couldn't catch an earlier or later train. We were able to book it a couple of days before leaving Tokyo, so the non-refundable requirement wasn't an issue for us. The ticket also came with a free drink for the journey. It wasn't entirely clear to us where and how to redeem this, so Gillian spent quite a bit of time going around shops at Tokyo Station asking if they were participating in the deal. Eventually she found a very nice person at a convenience store who helped us redeem our free drinks. For the journey itself, we can't recommend it enough. Travelling on the bullet train was something that we never imagined doing, and so to actually experience it was very special. As you would expect in Japan, the train is very clean and comfortable, and it was also very spacious and quiet. For the best views of Mount Fuji, make sure you sit on the right hand side of the train on the Tokyo to Kyoto route. If you prefer Pacific Ocean views, then sit on the other side of the train. It doesn't feel like you're travelling at close to 200 miles per hour when you're on the train. It was a really smooth journey, and there were no delays, again, as you'd expect in Japan. The 4 hours absolutely flew by for us, and we didn't really want it to end, in large part because it was freezing in Kyoto when we arrived, all of which you will hear about on our upcoming Kyoto vlog series, which starts very soon. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.